All right, what's going on? We're gonna try to catch some rainbow trout today. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have a microphone, but we're here at the Guadalupe River. It's Thursday. Ugly, ugly weather, but you know what? If the fish are wet, I'm gonna get wet too. So let's check it out. We're here at the Lazy L. This is the Devil's Playground. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a great day. There it is. Got me a little trout. Ooh. Don't have a net this time. There it is. Ooh, it's a slippery guy. There it is. Got him. Got him. Fish on. Woo! And he's gone. That's fishing. Easy release.